Good. Anyway, poetry mapping sounds terrible. It's not that hard. It's pretty easy to do. It's a lot of people like when they read poetry, they're like, I don't understand it. And that's okay. I'm not asking for you guys to understand poetry. We don't have to understand poetry in order to map the poem out, okay? Jesse, will you do me a favor? Will you shut my door for me? Because I know I get loud. So check this out. It says, for this, it says, number the stanzas, complete the rhyme scheme, and label the poetry elements in all lines. So the first thing I like to do, we learned at the beginning of the year that short stories, articles, songs, and poems always get put inside quotes. So every time I see a poem in my head, I want to put quotes around the title because that's what you're supposed to have. So go ahead and put quotes around your title. Okay? So step number one says number the stanzas. A stanza is a paragraph in poetry format. Okay? So how many paragraphs do I have in this poem? Two. I have two. So pretty much the number of the stanzas, I do one and I do two. Okay? Just like that. I haven't read a single word yet, and I've already numbered my stanzas. I've already put quotes in my title. Man, this isn't so bad, right? Not so bad. I like your mask, by the way. That's a cool mask. So that being said, most times you read a poem, the first time you read it, you make a confused face. What? You know, most times when you read poems, you're like, yeah, it's like Tim Allen, like, okay? And you're allowed to make that confused face, okay? So that being said, we're going to read Dreams, and we're going to actually read it a second time, okay? So here we go. Let's take a look at the first thing. It says, hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field, frozen with snow. What? Huh? I don't get it. What? Okay? And that's okay to think I don't get it. Because again, we're not looking for a deep meaning understanding. We're just looking to analyze it. Okay? That being said, we're going to read it a second time. This time though, Shima's going to take line 1. Hunter's going to take line 2. Aiden's going to take line 3. And Bryce is going to take line 4. Alex is going to take the first line in the second stanza. Logan Ellis is going to take the second line in the second stanza. Kyle's going to take the third line in the second stanza. And Logan Jones is going to finish us off with the last line. Okay? So here we go. Shima, take it away. It's you, Logan Ellis. Logan, you okay? All right, get the rebound, Jesse. There we go. Everybody give themselves a golf clap. There we go. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. All right. So that wasn't so bad. Okay. I don't fully understand what they're talking about. I know he's talking about dreams, but I don't know much else outside of that. And that's okay because it says I need to do the rhyme scheme. Okay. So check this out. A rhyme scheme is easy. You use the alphabet. How many of you remember doing rhyme scheme in another grade? Did y'all ever do rhyme schemes? It'd be a little bit Hunter kind of halfway raise his hand. That's fine. So let me show you all how to do this. Check this out. Your first line is always going to be the letter A because that's the first line and that's the first letter of the alphabet. Now I'm looking at the end rhyme, dreams. Dreams is going to be A. Okay. Now, Alex, do dreams and die rhyme? No. So die is going to be B because dreams and die do not rhyme. Now, Logan Jones. Do dreams, die, and bird rhyme? No, none of those rhyme, so bird is going to be C. Okay, so A, B, C. Now the word fly, Kelly, fly runs with what other word in this poem? Fly and no do not rhyme. Look at the last word in every line. We got dreams, die, bird, and fly. Which two of those rhyme? Dreams, die, bird, fly. Which two of those rhyme, y'all? Die and fly. So that means because die and fly rhyme, they're going to be B. Okay? So right now, for my rhyme scheme, I've got A, B, C, B. Yeah, I was going to say it's pretty easy to do. So if you look at the second stanza, hold fast to your dreams. Now, dreams and dreams, they're the same exact what? Word. So they're both going to be A again, yes. So I've got A, B, C, B. Now, go doesn't rhyme with anything. So instead of B or C, that's going to be D, yes. Field, that doesn't rhyme with anything. So that's going to be what? Now, F, E. Now, snow and go, they rhyme. So that's going to be what? D. So I've got A, B, C, B, A, D, E, D. That's not so bad, is it? Not bad at all, okay? That's not bad at all, okay? And that's the rhyme scheme right there. So if I look up here, y'all, put yourself check marks so you feel better about yourself, okay? Now I need to label the poetry elements. Well, I put quotes on the title. Now I got to kind of figure out, maybe not exactly what they're talking about, but I can label the poetry elements, okay? So I noticed two things. One, I've got personification, and the second thing I noticed is I have metaphors, okay? So personification is when you take something that's not human and you make it what? Human. Any Disney movie, like Finding Nemo, Finding Dory, we have talking fish. And the Little Mermaid, she talks to all the other sea creatures, like Sebastian sings about under the sea. Under the sea, the Bernstein Bears, they're like wearing polka dot dresses and they drive cars and they live in trees and everything. That's personification. Look at that first line. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die. Can we hold on to dreams? Yes. We can't? I'm going to pick up my speaker. I'm holding on to my speaker right now. I'm physically holding on to my speaker. Wanna know why? Because this is physical and I can physically hold on to it. Can I pick up dreams? No. I can't go to Walmart right now and be like, I need a cup of dreams, please. I can't do that. I can't hold dreams. But when's the last time you held your dream? Never, right? Never. We've never held our dreams because you can't pick up dreams, okay? So hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die. Can we kill a dream? Can I get like Michael Myers to show up my house and be like, I need you to murder my dream for me? Oh, that'd be Freddy Krueger. Kill people in their dream. But hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Y'all, holding fast to dreams, for if dreams die. This is personification right here because I cannot hold a dream. It's Cherry! Hang on, I'm making up. Let me pause my video. There we go. Sorry about that, y'all. The Fun Run people came in and I got excited. All right, so hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die. That is clearly, we cannot hold on to dreams, and dreams cannot die. So that's taking a non-human object and making it human. So that's called what, y'all? Personification. Good job. So we're going to write that in there, right there. Okay, personification. Personification. Okay, personification. Now that being said, it then follows up with life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Now that's a comparison. We're just not using like or as. So it's not assembly, so it's a metaphor. Yes, so I'm going to write that in metaphor. Oops. So I have personification followed by metaphor. Now look at the second stanza. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go. Once again, can I hold on to dreams? No, I can't hold on to dreams. So this is another great example of what? Yeah, so instead of rewriting personification, I'm just going to draw an arrow, okay? Life is a barren field frozen with snow. Once again, it's not assembly, it's a what? Because the thing is. Is, are, and, is, are, was, were, make a metaphor, and then I'm just going to draw an arrow. Now that being said, check this out. I don't still understand what they're trying to say in the poem, but I did the rhyme scheme, I numbered the stanzas, I applied the word personification and metaphor to it. I did what I was supposed to do. Now I don't fully understand the poem, but is that okay? Yes, it's okay because I did what I needed to do and it wasn't so bad. Okay. All right.